So, Ekagr, how does it feel to get recommended, doing a capsule course and then getting recommended?
Sir, it feels honorary grateful. And sir, पहली बात हम लोग जब psych test, the pictures that I study were similar to the one that I got in one FSB board. I was mentally very prepared that I would be going for the interview, and when the real interviewer asked me about in the one FSB, it all felt that I had already given it. The same way I had given it, and I was very confident enough. And with a bright smile, I gave all of my answers.
Jai Hind, all defense aspirants. We are making a video with Ekagr, who came to us on 7th July of this month, and he has just got recommended from Air Force Board and has cleared CPSS. He came for a 14-day mentorship program at Dreamers Edu Hub at Dehradun. So, Ekagr, how does it feel to get recommended, doing a capsule course and then getting recommended?
Sir, it feels honorary grateful, and I give the credit to all of my mentors and to Dreamers Education Hub for helping me achieve this great success.
Yes. So, how was your experience at you went to Dehradun board?
Yes, sir.
One FSB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how was your experience as far as Dreamers is concerned, and how did it help you at one Air Force Selection Board? And for all defense aspirants, I would like to tell you that this is the first attempt, and he has got recommended, and we have no doubts in our mind, Colonel Rohit and self, that this boy will figure in the merit list in first 20.
Sir, because I felt really comfortable when I went to A1 AFSB Dehradun, and the atmosphere of this Dreamers Hub was very familiar with this. So I got helpful, my confidence was increased, and hereby the teachers have already polished my strength and removed all the weaknesses as I had. So I was confident enough, and without any hesitation, I did my best in one AFSB Dehradun.
Okay, nice, Ekagr. First of all, it gives me a lot of happiness and pleasure when I come to know कि भाई हमारा पढ़ाया हुआ बच्चा select हो गया है. It gives you so much of mental satisfaction, and you are one of them. So as you said, the experience has been very nice. So अगर हम techniques की बात करते हैं कि GTO technique, psych technique और interview technique की बात करते हैं, तो how has your overall experience been here? And Dreamers में आपको क्या facilities ऐसी अच्छी मिली जो आपको लगता है जिसने आपको help किया towards your recommendation?
सर, पहली बात हम लोग जब psych test, the pictures that I study were similar to the one that I got in one FSB board. Also, other things that WAT and SRT were very helpful, that I got to practice more, and other things like GTO, the structures that I practiced here were very similar to those what I see in A1 AFSB, and it helped me a lot to know about them. And with the help of my familiarity that I had here, it was almost similar with them. So I had a bit of very confidence, and I tried my best.
That's really nice to hear that, and I would like to give this message to all the other aspiring defense aspirants that the way Ekagr has been benefited, you keep trying, and even if you are a repeater candidate, please don't lose any hope. There is always a next time. अगर आप कोशिश करेंगे तो कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Just remember that thing, and I'm sure success is your way, and we are all available over here to help you out. And जो भी आपको गाइडेंस चाहिए, कुछ भी आपको डाउट्स होते हैं, you are most welcome to join us over here in Dreamers, and we will be all there, all out to help you out. All the best, Jai Hind. Over to Group Captain Ambo Jaluwali.
So, Ekagr, tell me one thing. देहरादून में इतने सारे academies हैं, कोचिंग हब्स हैं, राइट सर? आप पत्थर फेंको, वो एक कोचिंग यूनिट पे गिरता है कि नहीं? तो आपने कैसे चुना ड्रीमर्स?
Sir, Dreamers, because I heard from my friends that Dreamers provides the best SSB coaching to the students, and it helps them a lot to know about the real interview process and get familiarized with them. So with the help of my friends and other things, I got to know about it, and I chose that it should be the best thing for me, and I should prepare with the help of the very best coaching in Dehradun.
Very nice. So I would like to bring a point to every viewer जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं. 2-3 चीजें हैं जो हमें बाकियों से अलग करती है. एक, यहाँ पे जितने असेसर हैं वो सब DIPR ट्रेंड हैं और सिलेक्शन बोर्ड में काम कर चुके हैं. उसकी हेल्प होती है क्या?
वेरी मच सर.
सो दैट गिव्स यू लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, है ना? दूसरी चीज, हमारा जो 14 डेज प्रोग्राम है ये बहुत ही इलेबोरेट है. आप मानते हो क्या?
श्योरली सर.
सो करीब 6 दिन साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट, जो कि बच्चों को सबसे ज्यादा मिस्टीरियस लगता है. हर बच्चे को लगता है कि साइक बस खराब हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
बट एकाग्र आप मुझे बताओ, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस गाइडेंस कोर्स हेयर, 6 दिन के बाद आपको कुछ आपके दिल में इनहिबिशन थी?
Yes sir, sir बहुत ही कि मतलब I from day one when I came here
Okay.
I learned about the psych test and the first time I gave the psych test it wasn't so good enough, but at the end of the first week I was really happy with myself that I've improved so much. I learned new things, that how should I tackle the real psych test which I will be giving in the one AFSB, and when I gave the real psych test in the AFSB it helped me a lot.
It was a cakewalk.
Yes sir.
Very good. See, for everybody who's watching this, please note that at this place we have a psych from Army, we have got a psych from the Air Force, and we have got a very elaborate capsule जहाँ पे TAT, WAT, SRT, SD ये सब कुछ 3 से 4 दिनों में समझाई जाती है, शाम को प्रैक्टिस की होती है और फ्राइडे को एक टेस्ट होता है एज पर SSB. आप लोग का भी हुआ होगा.
Yes sir.
उसके बाद साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंडिविजुअल डिब्रीफ करते हैं, जो कि मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया में, मैं देहरादून की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इंडिया में बहुत कम जगह होता है.
Yes sir.
है कि नहीं? आपके
Yes, sir.
और भी दोस्त आए होंगे, उन्होंने भी बताया होगा. टेस्ट तो सब ले लेते हैं, पर इंडिविजुअल डिब्रीफ जिससे आप इंप्रूव करते हैं
Yes, sir.
वो यहाँ होती है.
Yes
है
sir.
ना?
Yes sir.
उसके बाद होता है ग्रुप टेस्टिंग. वो भी एक 4-5 दिन की कैप्सूल है. हर रोज एक टॉपिक किया जाता है, शाम को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. सवेरे असेसर्स कराते हैं जो कि DIPR ट्रेंड है, और शाम को हमारे पास स्पेशल टीचर्स हैं इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. कई लोगों को, बच्चों को, दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, सो वी हैव स्पोकन इंग्लिश टीचर्स. वी हैव अ फैकल्टी ऑफ मिस्टर अभिनव, रॉजर एंड few others
Yes, sir.
who help you
To achieve this success.
success. So their contribution also cannot be overlooked.
No sir. Not
है कि
at all.
नहीं?
Definitely.
वो नहीं होगा तो फिर प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी,
Yes,
तो
sir.
कैसे काम चलेगा? है कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
And interview happens in the evening time.
Yes sir.
It is an elaborate session of 1.5 hours,
Yes sir.
and then a debrief by the interviewing officer.
Yes sir.
Anything else जो मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ, जो कि आपको लगता है जो इस एकेडमी को बाकियों से अलग करती है, बताओ.
Sir, I would say that you pointed the thing about interviewing.
हाँ.
Sir, it was almost very similar the way I gave. So I was mentally very prepared that I would be going for the interview, and when the real interviewer asked me about in the one AFSB, it all felt that I had already given it. The same way I had given it, and I was very confident enough. And with a bright smile, I gave all of my answers.
हैप्पी फेस, दैट इज द की टू सक्सेस.
Yes sir.
है कि नहीं? और प्लस एक इंटरव्यू, उसके बाद डीब्रीफ. रोहित इज देयर विद मी, ही इज आल्सो अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. सो रोहित ने डीब्रीफ किया था. सो रोहित, वुड यू लाइक टू टॉक समथिंग अबाउट दैट?
So when I was carrying out the debrief individually, so I think we went through the entire process,
sir.
all the stories, and then we discussed about it in detail. So hope you were able to find out your shortcomings in that, because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा shortcomings निकालता हूँ उसमें,
Yes, sir.
गलतियाँ निकालता हूँ.
सर वही तो अच्छी बात है, जितनी मुझे शॉर्ट कमिंग्स पता चली मैंने उसी हिसाब से अपने आप को प्रिपेयर किया, एंड आई कुड से दैट द साइक टेस्ट आई गेव, द टैट वाज माय स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सेक्शन, एंड आई डिडंट मेक एनी मिस्टेक्स इन दैट. इट वाज जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ केक वर्क फॉर मी, बिकॉज विद योर हेल्प आई वाज एबल टू पिन पॉइंट माय मिस्टेक्स एंड नॉट रिपीट देम, व्हिच इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
So my message to all the defense aspirants would be like, एकाग्र ने अपनी गलतियां पहचानी और उसको समझा. So it is very important for you to know your mistakes. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर आप अपनी गलतियों को रियलाइज नहीं करते हो तो सबसे ज़्यादा गड़बड़ आप वहीं करते हो. ठीक है? Accepting your mistakes is the first step to success. ठीक है? And we are so proud of you, एकाग्र, and wishing you all the very best. And over to group captain.
सो एकाग्र, हम आपके साथ और ज्यादा, हमें सब कुछ पता चल गया कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगा, पर एज लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि बहुत आसान है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. पीपल, मेंटर्स एट हियर, एट दिस प्लेस, प्लस द सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ, प्लस द फैकल्टी एज सच,
Yes sir.
takes lot of efforts. It's a very systematic, well thought and well planned capsule wherein we take care of the smallest of the things like PPDT. आपने एक PPDT की कितनी प्रैक्टिस की होंगी यहाँ पे?
Sir, I have lost count. I have done
Imagine.
so much.
I can vouch. If you ask me personally, I have been in a selection board for almost 11 years, and I'm sure Rohit has also spent a lot of time in a selection board. We understand, apart from getting recommended, getting screened in is the most difficult thing. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
कितने लोग आए थे स्क्रीनिंग के लिए
Sir, 140 screening
और कितने हुए?
only 56.
56. You see the percentage, almost one third,
Yes, sir.
right? So screening is a very tough process, but at this place we don't leave any stone unturned.
Yes sir.
We start evening session with the PPDT का practice. स्क्रीनिंग के पहले एक elaborate explanation होता है फर्स्ट डे, फिर आप OIR टेस्ट देते हो जैसे कि SSB में
Yes,
देते
sir.
हैं, जिसका रिजल्ट हम ऑनलाइन आपको बता देते
Yes,
हैं,
sir.
जो हमारे अभिनव करेक्ट करके आपको बताते हैं.
Yes sir.
Keeping that in mind, then we practice every day.
Yes sir.
So that helps, I hope.
Sir, very much. It
Well-
helps, sir, because when I started giving my first practices,
Hmm.
I had problem in making stories. I had a problem in writing within the time limit and also during the narration. So, but by the end, till my SSB came, I was very prepared, and with the help of all the teachers and all the assessors, I got to know where I should pinpoint my mistakes.
Focus your
Yes,
attention
sir.
to. Yes.
And polish my strength and do well in the main screening test.
एंड स्क्रीनिंग पीपीडीटी तो होता ही है, उसके बाद जो भी सवेरे पढ़ा है उसको शाम को भी प्रैक्टिस.
Yes, sir.
So practice, practice, practice. That is what
Yes, sir. It makes a man perfect.
it makes a man perfect, and that is what has helped you.
Yes, sir.
So one message to the viewers of Dehradun, and Ekagra is also from Dehradun, born and brought up at Dehradun, and has studied in a school. Which is your school?
Summer Valley School.
Summer Valley School, and he is probably second or third person from the same school in last 1 year who has got recommended. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So proud moment for the school also.
Yes, sir. Very much.
हाँ, बताओ.
Sir, I would say to all of the students, to all of the NDA aspirants, I would advise them that if you want to achieve great success in life, you should definitely visit Dreamers Education Hub, because as my first-hand experience, I would say this is the best experience I could have got. And now today I'm sitting here recommended from 1AFC Dehradun. So I give all the credit to all of the teachers, all of the assessors hereby, and to Dreamers Education Hub. So I'm very grateful for all this.
Thank you, Ekagra. All the best. Happy landings in future. And it is not only our effort, it is equal. We don't give any magic wand. है कि नहीं, Rohit? We just guide you. Effort is yours.
Yes, sir.
So many people come to us. Effort is yours. You take one step. Faculty at Dreamers takes 100 steps to
Yes,
help
sir.
you. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
All the best. Do well in life. Keep working hard. And always stay in touch with us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, Ekagra, and wishing you great success. As sir said, happy landings. And एक step आपने लिया और हमने आगे कुछ steps लिए. So it is always a two-way process. दोनों की equal मेहनत से ही काम बढ़ता है. And you have proved it to others also that अगर मेहनत करेंगे तो success पक्का मिलेगी.
Yes, sir.
All the best. जय हिंद.
Thank
And
you, sir.
last but not the least, Dreamers है तो
सब possible है.
thank you.